Any idea about what are all the questions that will come for your model and your end semester? Any idea?
சார் மோஸ்ட்லி எம்சிக்யூல வந்து தான் கேட்பேன்.
கரெக்ட், எம்சிக்யூஸ். பட் நான் கேட்குறது வந்து எந்த டாபிக்லேருந்து வரும்னு தெரியுமான்னு கேட்குறேன். எனி ஐடியா? சரி, ஓகே. ஒன் மோர் கொஷின். ஒரு டாப்பிக்கா, ரெண்டு டாப்பிக்கா, மூணா, நாலா? How many topics? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many topics you think you will have to attend in your model and your end semester?
5.
Anyone else? Okay, the reason I'm talking about this is we'll have 4 different topics, and all the 4 must be completed within a period of 3 hours. And we will have verbal questions, 25 questions from verbal. We'll have a group discussion, we'll have oral presentation, and we'll have an interview. All of this have to be done as you have done in your assignments, and all of this must be submitted within the 3-hour duration, which is 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Clear? Is it clear?
Sir, do we have to record the same?
Exactly like you did during assignments.
You will give us the topic or our choice, sir.
நல்லா இருக்கே கதை. எக்ஸாமுக்கு நீங்களா உங்கள் டாபிக் செலக்ட் பண்ணுவீங்களா? You will get your topic on the exam date, and when you actually log in at 5 p.m. you'll get the topics and questions then.
All our team members will be getting the same topic for GD.
GD will be based on the team that you select. சரியா? What you do is form a team of 7 or 8. Okay? And that team will be ready to go ahead with a group discussion, record it with both audio and video. It has to be an AV, like you did in assignments, and that has to be uploaded. The video link, the AV link must be uploaded in Moodle. Okay, based on that, you will be graded. But to answer your question, the group discussion will have, there'll be just one question, but then with multiple topics, 6 or 7 topics will be there. You can choose any of the topic during the exam. Then and there you need to decide on the topic, record your group discussion and upload it. Clear?
Time limit, sir?
3 hours in total.
No, sir. Is there any particular time for GD?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
சார் குரூப் டிஸ்கஷன் மட்டும்தான் 2 பேர் இல்ல அதிகமா பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
ஆமா, மற்றது எல்லாமே நீங்க தனியா பண்ற மாதிரி தான் வரும். அதனால தான் what we have decided is we will have group discussion as the first question. சரியா? So which means at the start you will start with the group discussion, finish off, and then move on to your separate ways. You will individually carry on with your.
How will do we do it individually, sir?
Sorry?
Interview. How will we do it individually?
Again, it is questions will be with 5 different so let's say if there is one question, there is only one question that you will answer for interview, but then that
you
one question.
Asking the question, sir? You will be asking the question to us.
Sorry, no, we won't be asking questions. The questions, everything will be in Moodle. We have designed it in a way that when you receive the interview question, the question, the one interview question is what you will get, but then in which you will have five different interview questions. Okay, in one question you'll have five interview questions, and you'll have to record answering all the five questions that you get. Everyone will get a different set of five questions, so you won't be able to compare your answers. Everyone will have a different set of five questions. In
Who
one,
will be asking the question, sir?
no one will be asking. The question will be in written format. You will read the question and then you'll answer, record the answer, and then upload it.
Only audio.
One video and audio.
Video and audio. Okay, sir.
Of course. AV. Anyone facing problem in terms of audio not being able to record during your group discussion or anything? Okay. In case there is a problem, we won't be able to do anything then and there. Yeah. So plan a practice run before. Okay. Select your team. Out of the 28 members, I think we can have 4 different teams. Okay, just 4 teams. I need the list of each team by today. Okay, 7-member team and 4 different teams. So plan accordingly, or should I help in this?
Sir, we'll have 8 in a team.
Sure, okay. Then there'll be one team which will be left with 6 members. Sorry, yeah. That's fine. Should we help with the segregation of the teams now?
No, sir.
I'm asking others as well. Please respond. Jiva, Vineet.
No, sir.
Vineet, which team you belong to? Da?
Sir,
Which
I
team
am
you
from
belong
Sonia
to?
team.
Who are you?
Sanjeev and
Sorry.
Sanjeev.
Okay. Who else?
Sanjeev Pawan Kumar.
Sanjeev, Pawan Kumar. Then
So I'll put in a group, sir.
how many members? That's what I want to know. Vineet, how many members?
7, sir.
Okay.
7.
Okay. Jiva, which team are you part of? Da?
Sonia team,
Okay.
sir. 8 members, sir.
Okay. Gopala Krishnan.
6.
Kamal. 6.
Sir, 6.
Who all da? Kamal?
Sir, Gopal,
Hmm.
Subhash,
Okay.
Manoj, Rahul,
Okay.
Raja Shankar,
Raja
and me,
Shankar.
sir.
Okay. Right. Is Gopala Krishnan here? Can I talk to Gopala Krishnan, please? Gopala Krishnan left.
Yes, sir.
Super da. Right.
Sir,
Yes.
so what about the presentation skills, sir?
Oral presentation. You'll be receiving a different topic. There'll be many. We have given almost 20-25 topics in Moodle, which will come at random. So we don't know which topic you will receive. You'll have to create a PPT. Maybe keep the number of PPTs to a minimum, maybe 4 or 5, 6 slides, and then do a voiceover and record it, upload the link in Moodle.
With the 3 hours, we have to prepare the slides, record the audio.
Make the GD, answer 25 verbal questions, and interview as well.
For presentation, only the audio, sir, or along with the video?
Voice over. What did you do during oral presentation?
Okay, sir.
It's oral presentation, not just presentation. It's oral presentation. So PPT and a voiceover. So everyone will receive a different topic, ma. So don't try to use someone else's work. It won't work out.
So totally 3 hours, sir. So each question's time limit is there, sir.
No, you can choose to perform at your own space, but at the end of 3 hours you should have submitted everything.
Okay, sir.
The reason why we have GD as the first is because we don't want to have GD in between or at the end. Maybe one of you or some of you in your respective teams might take a little longer to complete the other activities, and you don't have to wait for others to finish their work and come to the GD. So finish the GD first and then move on to the other parts of the exam. Clear? Doesn't make sense?
Yes, sir. Sir, for presentation, do we have any time? Minimum 20 minutes you have to do it. Or
Okay.
our choice, sir.
Those things are mentioned in the description column in the question. So when you receive the question, you will have all the points that you need to remember while making it. GD will be around 20 minutes minimum, but then presentation 5-6 minutes max.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts? Any clarifications? Kannan, are you there?
For all this, Sunday is the last day to submit, sir.
That's for assignment. So whatever I am talking about is the model exam which is planned for 3rd of November. But yes, to answer your question, tomorrow will be the last day for submitting all your assignments. I've started grading. If you actually check, at least till oral presentation, I have completed the grading. You can check and find your marks if it reflects. There are many who have not submitted oral presentation yet. There is still time. Please submit it. At least you'll get the marks.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Mr. Kannan, are you hearing me? Mr. Kannan? Yes, Kannan. Can someone ask Kannan to call me after the session? Yeah, Kannan. Yeah, vannadachu. Sorry, Kannan, did you understand the plan for model exam and the end semester?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you list out what are the topics that will be, coming for your model exam? Kannan?
Sir.
என்னென்ன டாபிக்ஸ் வரும்னு சொன்னேன்டா. Vineet,
Sir.
can you tell Kannan which are all the topics that will come?
Group discussion, interview, presentation, voice over presentation.
ரெண்டும் ஒன்று தான்டா. ஓரல் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன்னா அது. தென் வேர்பல் கொஷின்ஸ் ஒரு 25 வரும். தேங்க்ஸ் வினீத். கண்ணன் புரிஞ்சுதா? என்ன புரிஞ்சுது கண்ணன்? கண்ணன் உங்களை தான் கேட்குறேன்.
சார்
என்னடா சார் சாருங்கிற உன தான் கேட்குறேன். Nice. Suhaib, did you understand? Makale, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Then Muhammad Suhaib, can you please answer? What are the
Yes, sir.
topics, da?
Topics interview, presentation,
Oral presentation. Proceed.
oral presentation,
Group discussion and verbal.
yes sir.
Okay, thank you. Right. Any more doubts?
Sir, do the verbal questions be as MCQs, sir?
Yes,
How many questions, sir?
25.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
சார்
Yeah, Vidish.
சார் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் வந்து என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட தான் சார் வேற ஸ்டாஃப் கூட தான் சார் பண்ணேன் எல்லாமே.
Okay.
எக்ஸாமுக்கு இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம்?
எக்ஸாமுக்கு இங்கே தான்டா பண்ணி ஆகணும், வேறு வழி இல்லைடா. ஏன்னா வேறு வேறு இப்போ ஸ்லாட்டுக்கு யூல் ஹாவ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைமிங்ஸ் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டேட்ஸ் தான். ஸோ யூ கான்ட் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் தெம் டு பி இன் த சேம் டைமிங். ஸோ அதனால் நீங்கள் வந்து யூல் ஹேவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் அ டீம் ஹியர். வி கேன் ஃபைண்ட் இட் ரைட் அவே. ஐ திங்க் தெர் இஸ் ஒன் டீம் விச் ஹேட் 6 members இல்லையா? கமல் உங்கள் டீம் தானே? Kamal,
No sir.
how many members there, Subhash, in your team?
6 members sir.
Okay, 6 then. Can Vaidish join your team, please?
Kannan 7 sir.
Sorry?
Including Kannan 7 sir. Team.
Okay. இப்போ வேணாங்கிறீங்களா வைதீஷ்?
Yes sir.
Right.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we have a 3 exam in 3rd November sir.
எந்த டைம்லடா?
Morning one exam sir and 3 to 5 one exam sir
ம்
and one model exam for a core subject sir. Practical model practical sir.
டைம்
Time they didn't mention that.
I have mentioned a clear timing, Leah. So inform them that there is another schedule happening on 3rd between 5 and 8. So whoever is coming up with a schedule, inform them that you have a schedule already between 5 and 8 on 3rd November. If that means informing your HOD, please do that. We are not changing.
Okay sir.
So yeah, so we came up with the schedule first, so we don't have to change it. The others will change if you tell them that the schedule came to you, first. Inform them.
Okay sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sanjeev, which team you belong to?
Suhaib,
Sorry?
Vineet, Pavan, Suhaib, Aravind,
How many members in your team?
7 sir.
Okay. Vaidish will join your team, Sanjeev. Vaidish, can you hear me?
Sir.
Get in touch with
Yes, sir.
Sanjeev and then join their team. Okay, get their numbers.
Okay.
Don't wait till the last date. Today you will get to know all the other 7 members in your team, including you. There will be 8 members. Chariya?
Okay sir.
Okay, Sanjeev, share your contact number to Vaidish and introduce others also.
Okay sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, நானும் எந்த டீம்லயும் இல்லை சார். அபிஷேக்
அபிஷேக்
அபிஷேக் ஏமந்த் ஆல்சோ சார்.
ஓகே.
ரெண்டு பேரும் எந்த டீம்லயும்
இங்கே இல்லாமல் ஒரு 11 பேர் இருக்காங்கடா. You need to find who that is. Yeah, Kamal, tell me.
சார் 2 members attendance started.
யார் யாருக்கு?
சார் கண்ணன் சக்திவேல்.
எவ்வளோ பர்சன்டேஜ் வருதுடா?
கண்ணன் 32 சார்.
கடவுளே
Total
நான்
attendance.
முடியாது. ம். அப்புறம்
சக்திவேல் 65.
ஓகே.
சார்
See, model exam will be for everyone. Attendance is not a factor for model exam. Only for end semester it will be a factor. So everyone will participate in model exam. So Abhishek and Hemant, right?
எஸ் சார்.
We'll find a team for you. Manoj, எந்த டீம் நீங்க?
சார் எங்க டீம் சார் மனோஜ்.
தமிழ் டீம் சார்.
பாஷா?
சார் சோனியா டீம் சார்.
ஓகே. ராகரஞ்சனி?
We all in the same team, sir. Ragaranjani, Ashwin, Laina, Judy, Basha, Jiva. ரெண்டு பேரும்.
ஓகே. ஜூடி ஆல்சோ?
Yes, sir.
ரைட். வேற யார் இருக்கா இங்க? சுபாஷ் விநாயகம்?
சார் சார் எங்க டீம் சார். பிலாங்ஸ் டு ட்ரிபிள்.
ஓகே. ஓகே. அஸ்வின் குமார்?
சார்
எந்த டீம்டா?
சோனியா டீம் சார்.
ஏய் 8 தானடா சொன்னீங்க. எல்லாருமே இவ்வளோ பேர் 8 வர முடியும். நம்ம மேக்ஸ் மறந்து வச்சிருந்தா.
Laina, Judy, Ashwin, Basha, Jiva, Ragaranjani, Charan Thomas, myself.
சூப்பர்.
அவ்வளோதான் சார்.
ரைட்ரா. சரி, ஓகே. அபிஷேக் அண்ட் ஹேமந்த் வில் டிஸ்கஸ் இட். எனக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க ஒரு half an hour கழிச்சு ஆஃப்டர் த கிளாஸ். வில் டிஸ்கஸ் திஸ். ஓகேயா?
ஓகே சார்.
வில் ஃபைண்ட் someone for you. இங்க
டீம்
இல்லாத
இல்லனா ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கப்போ சார், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. டீம் இல்லனா எங்க டீம்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம்.
சரி பார்ப்போம். வில் see how this can work out. சரி, ஓகே. there is an offer for you டா அபிஷேக். பார்த்துக்கலாம். but then call me in class முடிஞ்ச ஒரு 10 minutesல கால் பண்ண. வில் talk about it.
ஓகே சார்.
அப்புறம் சரி, ஓகே. there is something which I wanted to ask. நேர்லயே I won't be happy with whatever I'm doing. Online I'm pretty sure that I'm disappointed in myself regarding how the classes went or how many classes actually happened. It was management's decision to have Moodle sessions, videos எடுத்து அதுல போடணுங்கிற அந்த that concept. I'm not sure how it worked out. So in that case, enna mari, how many of you have been disappointed with the way this semester has gone for this course? சரியா? You don't have to inform anyone in the group la appadi sollanumla avasiyam kedadu. I'm not going to put you in trouble. But if there is a problem, if there is a clarification, if there is a doubt, you can reach out to me anytime. சரியா? That's what the final year students are doing right now. They call me, they message me, they keep me occupied throughout the day. But absolutely okay. அதே மாதிரி தான் நீங்களும். I'm absolutely okay to answer your questions anytime. You can call me, you can message me. சரியா? Hope I made myself very clear. எந்த clarification ஆனாலும், even if it is the 100th time you're asking the same clarification, I'm fine, absolutely okay. Just that you need to reach out to me. Otherwise it's going to be difficult for us to clarify anything. In terms of the group discussion and brainstorming, how many of you understood the difference? Silent mode,
Sir, in group discussion, we discuss on a topic. So in brainstorming, after giving so much of ideas, we conclude with the topic.
Any other explanation for or differentiation between group discussion and brainstorming? Submit பண்ணிட்டீங்களடா.
Sir, group discussion is everyone talking about a single topic, sir.
Sorry.
Brainstorming is the collection of ideas, a session for collecting ideas.
Okay. So இது வந்து overall ஒரு bird's eye view you are giving me the differences. Now tell me the intricate part. Rules ன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. What are the rules? The rule difference between GD and brainstorming?
In GD, we can say that some point is wrong or disagree with someone.
Okay.
In brainstorming, we can't disagree with someone else because everyone's ideas can be accepted.
Right. What else? What else? What else,
Sir, GD should be specific, sir. Brainstorming, we can share any of our ideas.
Any of your ideas. We are open for wild ideas. Correct. But then, on the topic, whatever we are discussing pertaining to that. Right. Good, Sanjeev. Good, Sonia. Who else wants to share? Basha bhai?
Sir,
What do you think? What is the difference between brainstorming and GD?
GD வந்து டிஸ்கஸ் பண்றது சார், ஒரு டாபிக் வச்சு டிஸ்கஸ் பண்றது சார். பிரைன்ஸ்டார்மிங் வந்து அந்த இதுக்கு வந்து சொல்யூஷன் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது சார், அந்த டாபிக்கான சொல்யூஷன் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது.
Okay. Good. Anyone else? Sorry, do you have any questions related to GD or brainstorming now? Makale? Ilya? Right.
Okay.
Sorry. What else? Oral presentation. Any questions? இன்னும் கேட்க மாட்டோம்.
No, sir. Only single topic will be given for each one, or a list of topics will be given for presentation also.
Presentation one topic, but then topics will differ for each one of you.
If you don't like the topic, we can't change the topic.
If you don't like the topic, you will proceed with recording the topic that you don't like. அவ்வளவுதான். You can't change it.
Okay, sir.
So we have already uploaded the question, but it is hidden from students right now. What we have done is the Moodle will select random questions and throw it at you. Let's say we have around 20-25 topics for oral presentation. You will just receive one. Even I don't know what Sonia receives or Ragaranjani receives or Jiva receives or Saran Thomas receives. I have no clue. I will have no clue. You will be the only person who will know. When you look at the question, you will then know what is the topic that you have received. So you can't change your topic then and there. The one thing that you can do in terms of GD is you can, as a group, you can decide within a span of 2-3 minutes to choose a particular topic and then discuss. There will be 6 or 7 topics that are provided in that question. You can choose one and then go ahead with the group. You don't have to select more than one topic. One topic for your group discussion. I made it very clear.
If some other team is choosing a particular topic, then we should not choose it. Or we can also.
You don't know if some other team is choosing a particular topic. How will you know? So there is no question of that. You can choose whichever topic your team decides to go ahead with.
Sir.
And one more thing, in group discussion, every time you speak, every time, not the first time, every time you speak, give your name. You don't have to say my name is Sonia. No, you just say Sonia here, and then proceed with whatever you want to say. Jiva here, proceed with whatever you're saying. Every time you do this, that way it's on record that Jiva has spoken so many times, and Sonia, Ragajanjani, or everybody, whoever is there, Sanjeev, you have spoken, more than once. You have spoken more than 2 times. You have spoken thrice. That way we can assess that as well. So mention your name. It has to be an AV, audio video recording. You know how the GD was recorded by during your assignments. It's the same thing.
Sir, but if we are recording a video in the Zoom meeting, the name will be visible, no, sir.
But still give your name, da. See, I understand, Sanjeev, in the Google Meet, your name is coming as Sanjeev. Even after, almost the second semester is getting over during this lockdown phase, many have not changed their name from Handsome Hunk, okay? Not Seven, right? So we don't know who that is. So we will appreciate if you give your name every time you, speak, please. I think you understand the logic behind it, Sanjeev.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thanks. Hey, இந்த மாதிரி தான் சின்ன doubts தான் இருக்கும். Please ask. It's absolutely okay to ask your doubts. Get it clarified. Anything else?
For interview, do we need to go to a meet alone and record the meeting, or we can form a team of 2?
அங்க form a team of 2 லாம் கிடையாது. You will record your video and audio and upload it. You are not joining forces with anyone. That is the only difference, I think, from your assignment and here, where someone else was asking your questions. Here the question will be there in the written format in Moodle. You will read out the question, answer it. While answering, you will be recording it and then uploading that AV and and upload the link alone in Moodle.
நானே question கேட்டு நானே answer சொல்லிப்பேன்.
நீங்க questionலாம் கேட்க தேவையில்ல. Question is already there. You'll just read the question.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, நானும் கமல் குரூப்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் சார்.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
And whoever the 4 team members ஓட லிஸ்ட் எனக்கு இப்ப வேணும். முடிஞ்ச உடனே. So that has to be followed strictly. No changes. Okay, huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
Sir.
Yes, Vinit.
Sir, model exam அப்போ வந்து எல்லாரும் மீட்ல இருக்கணுமா இல்ல வந்து மீட்ல இருக்க தேவையில்லையா சார்?
ஜிடி பண்ணும்போது மீட்ல இருக்க முடியாது. ஏன்னா நீங்களே வந்து வேற ஒரு மீட்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பீங்க. So I don't think that is fair. But then at some point you will have to log into the link that I sent so that I can verify it's you. It has to be a video meet, not like this where you are in audio mode whenever you wanted to. But then during your exams, when you join, it has to be GD முடிச்ச உடனே better join in the G-Meet. But then I will understand if there is a trouble, but all of you must at some point join the meet.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
Sir.
Yeah, Raghavani.
சார் எங்க வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு எப்படி சார் அங்க இன்டர்வியூ क्वेश्चंसக்கு அங்க ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றது?
அதான் சொல்றேன், பண்ண முடியாதுன்னா you'll have to leave the meeting and then finish it and then join back.
ஓகே சார். இன்டர்வியூ क्वेश्चंस வந்து நார்மல் கேமரா வீடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்ல சார்?
Yeah. You can.
ஓகே சார்.
Oral presentation மட்டும் I think you'll have to use a screen recorder நினைக்கிறேன். But then if there is any other means also, that's fine. For interview, as you said, you can use a normal camera to record. Yes. Any other questions? Nothing? சரி ஓகே இப்போதைக்கு இருக்காது but then over a period of the next couple of days you might come up with a lot of clarifications, but once you get the clarification, don't wait for anything, message and get it clarified from me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
If there is any more questions you can ask me. I can wait. Illana, we can finish the session. No other questions, Makale, please take it seriously. The one thing which I am concerned is there is not many who come up with doubts, clarifications regarding the subject itself or regarding the exam. Please reach out. இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்க்கணும், you should, maybe I will add you in some of the final year groups. You should see how many of them ask questions. Asking questions is something which you guys have to start doing. செகண்ட் இயரில் அந்த ஒரு லெத்தாஜிக் ஃபேஸ் வர்ற மாதிரி எனக்கு தோணுது நிறையா பேர்கிட்ட. ஐ எம் worried. நான் எவ்வளோ தான் கத்தி திட்டுனாலும் you guys have to decide for yourself. I only plead, I request all of you to take this phase very seriously. உங்கள் அப்பா அம்மாலாம் அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி பண்ணுறேன்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. ப்ளீஸ் ஹேண்டில் திஸ் பீரியட் வித் கேர். ஏன்னா this is the campus hiring phase for the final years right now. அதில் many are participating. Some are not able to participate because they have more than 1 or 2 arrears. They are not eligible. அந்த இடத்துல நீங்கள் அப்படி இருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. Which means you'll have to concentrate on whatever you're doing right now. You need to concentrate a lot more now so that you can avoid arrears. Makale, I'm telling you, it's real let down for those who are not eligible. அவங்க வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி எம்பாரசிங்காக ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டு they feel really bad. Many people are taking counseling and all those things. I only plead, take it seriously. Assignments டைமுக்கு முடிங்க. Model exam serious எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Whatever exam that you write, please take it seriously. Discuss with your friends. If you need help, reach out to your faculties. Makale, I'm telling you, this is very serious. We don't know how long this online classes will go on. We'll have to ensure that we don't lose out on our learnings here. இதுக்கு மேலே சொல்கிறதுக்கு ஒன்றும் இல்லை. Sorry to enter into the advice zone. சரியா? So but then I thought I should talk to you about this, but உங்களுக்கு தெரியாத ஒன்றும் இல்லை, புதுசாக எதுவும் சொல்ல போகிறதில்ல. ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் டேக் இட் சீரியஸ்லி. தட்ஸ் இட். இஃப் there is nothing else, you can leave. And one more thing, inform the other 11 members in your slot. உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சவங்கள்ட்ட whatever we have discussed today, ask them to reach out to me if there is any clarifications. சரியா?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
ஓகே சார்.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.